Thorpe, they were waiting for us in the car park.
How many?
4 of them.
Jack?
Good evening.
I'd like a word with you, Jack.
That's nice.
Confidential, like.
You stay in the car. I'll come and listen. What do you want to tell me, Thorpe?
I've been asked to give you this. Train goes 4 minutes past 12. You've just got time.
That's very kind of somebody. Who do I have to thank? What happens if I miss the train?
Well, I've been asked to make sure you don't.
Oh, really? You're getting very optimistic in your old age, aren't you, Thorpe?
Let's stop pissing about.
Are you coming, Jack? It'd be best. Righto, lads.